Hi guys, welcome to another episode, and this is a bonus. So today I will show you all the characters, weapons, traps, and death noises. Let's start with the characters. So Mo is, we all know Elmo. King Mo is Elmo, but he's the leader of all the puppets. Zoe is like, I don't know, but I don't watch Elmo's World, but she's like one of the characters. Zombo is clearly not in that. So then there's the scientist, then there's Cookie, and then there's Police Mo, which I have. Big Quack, Abby. Clearly, the music is not so scary. Then we have the Grouch, Oscar. Then we have Ghost. Then we have Chef Mo. And then we have Gizmo, Big Waddle, Birdie, and which are new characters. We have the Bat, King Mo's staff, which is Robux. The baton, which only comes if you buy the character. And murder knife, pool noodle, rolling pin, pitchfork, board with nail, plunger, chicken leg, the sledgehammer, paper sword, and the red guitar. The traps are the default traps, aqua traps, big traps, electric traps, the grass traps, the fire traps, the ghost traps, the black hole traps, the snowy traps, the purple sparkle traps. Then we have the red sparkle traps, pink sparkle traps, green sparkle traps. I've been saying sparkle for a long time now. Blue sparkle traps and the rainbow traps. Here are the death noises. I'm sorry.
And I can't get up. Deja vu. I just been on this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to. Oh no, no! And his name is John C.
But these two are songs, okay? But I'm not gonna put the entire thing.
It's raining tacos.
Then we have the coins, which are Robux and passes. So, and let's play the game. Where's Elmo? Oh man. I could have died there. Like, I didn't know who was in the basement. Do you guys hate it when every time they send you a friend request and then you're in the middle of jumping before Elmo gets you and you don't want to decline? Close the door. Oh man, where is he? Yes, killer's been stunned. Like, why is my heart beating always? There's 2 chances. Okay, what is this? No, it's up, it's up, it's up. We go up. I say we escape. That guy. Let's go! Yes. We escaped. Okay. Hurry up. Okay, well, that's the end of the video. Please subscribe. Bye. Oh yeah, and I'm not editing because I have to